Alright, this is just a little video to show what I've learned, tricks doing this. So, here we go. Alright, first one, I'm gonna have to see which one. I'm gonna have to go with the thumb over. Alright. Alright, now I'm gonna do that a little faster for you. Alright. Shit. Now the next one is a ladder. It's a little harder. I might mess up on this one. Take the right handle off. Yeah, see, I'm messing up already. Click. There. Now a little faster. Alright, now the twirl. Drop so. There. Then that. Put the fingers there, send that back that way. You take these fingers, twirl that back up that way, and from there you reverse it, bring it back down, open it back up. Alright? Now, a little faster. Wow. Alright, now the orbit. Oh, it's getting little side. Alright. Now, this one's a little trickier. It's going to go around my thumb right here. And it's going to spin. Catch it there. Open it. Alright. Messed up there. Hold on. Yep. So that's that. That's all I've learned so far. Sooner or later I'll be learning some other sweet stuff. Yep. Every time.